We're going to do our outreach presentation soon.
We're really excited to be at Legoland and presenting.
Yeah.
Especially since we're going to California. So.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Classical Academy Science Days. Welcome to Legoland, California Resort. My name is Lori Walsh. All right, so we have a really cool thing for you guys today. Bill Johnstone from MoonBots is here, and the students will be demonstrating MoonBots on the Mindstorms patio from 10 o'clock today. So that is in the Lego show place. So all of the classes for Legoland are right here. So we're going to go ahead and welcome Bill and his team. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we, Team Apollo 19, will be presenting a robotics project that we have been working on since the beginning of summer. It is for a program known as MoonBots, sponsored by Google Lunar X Prize and Lego. We have made a wooden playing board that represents the moon and programmed a robot to do a series of special missions all around it. We have a team of 5 people: Brianna, Brian, Christian, Matthew, and me, Hannah. We will be presenting right across from the Einstein head at the times 10 and 11. Please come and see us.
Yeah, we come and see our robotics demonstration. 5 minutes. I love this job. Okay, are we ready?
Christian, make one fall over and the other guys that already know what to do.
Okay. Thank you for coming to our Lego MoonBots demonstration. I am Brian Jordan, and this is Team Apollo 19. We are made up of Anna Roberts, Christian Ronaldo, Brianna Johnstone, and Matthew Roberts. Thank you. I'm Brian Jordan, and I go to he's in Montessori Middle School, and this is a project we've been working on since summer. We hope you enjoy it, and enjoy the demonstration. And please welcome Matthew, who is going to explain what MoonBots is.
MoonBots is an international robotics competition. It's hosted by Google Lunar X Prize and Lego. This is the 3rd year of the competition. The point of the competition is to inspire young kids to get involved in science, technology, and robotics. This is our team's first time competing in MoonBots. Our team, Apollo 19, is one of the 30 chosen out of 147 teams to move on to the second part of it. The following presentation is the culmination of all our hard work over the past several months. This presentation, we created a game to show us how well or poorly we have programmed this robot, so we'll hope it works. There are several missions spread out around the map. And the minimum requirement was 2 missions, but we decided to take an extra challenge and do 7 of them. And now Hannah's going to describe our lunar landscape.
This is our lunar landscape. We have painted it to look like the moon. This is our starting base where the robot starts to complete all of its missions. Next to the starting base is the Lunar Tours building. This is where you can sign up for a lunar tour and tour the lunar colony and its outskirts. On top of that building is Eat at Joe's, where you can get exclusive moon food such as the moon cheese. Next to those 2 buildings is the garage. The garage holds our Lunar Tours bus and gives it any needed repairs. The first stop on the Lunar Tours tour is the Heritage Artifacts Museum, which we also call HAM. Inside this museum, we hold artifacts such as the Apollo 11 lander, the lunar rover, and Neil Armstrong's camera. This is the high ridge in the middle, and we have built up 2 ramps for easy access. You may notice that there is a black line. This is so the robot can follow it to successfully get over our high ridge. Christian?
Hi, my name is Christian, and over here is our solar power grid. It will supply energy to our entire lunar colony. It runs on solar energy because that makes sense on the moon. Because the sun rays are so much stronger on the moon because the moon has no atmosphere. There are 2 downsides to using solar energy. Number 1, the robots would have to survive a 2-week lunar night, And number 2, they would have to work in permanently shadowed areas. Over here is Shackleton Crater, also known as our mining site. We are mining for helium-3, water ice, and rare earth elements. Helium-3 is a power source, but when you make it into energy, there is no radiation produced, so it would be the perfect green energy. Also found on the moon in permanently shadowed areas is water ice. Water would be very expensive to transport to the moon, so it would be good to have water already up on the moon. Water ice can be used as drinking water, and it can be made into oxygen, for breathing oxygen, and hydrogen to power rockets. Also found on the moon is rare earth elements, which are rare on Earth but not as rare on the moon, and we are needing them more and more in the making of electronics. Over there is the famous American flag left on the moon by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, when they first landed on the moon on July 20th, 1969. Over there is a rocket, which will bring lunar tourists, astronauts, and supplies down to the moon so they can visit the moon and visit our heritage artifacts.
When you get out of bed in the morning and go to eat breakfast, have you ever wondered how you would program your robot to do that? You have to tell it to sit up, get out of bed, walk 2 steps, turn left, walk 4 steps, turn right, walk 10 steps, and that is only half of what you still need to do. Each step that I talked about represents a block. A block is basically one instruction, so we put some blocks together to create a program. That's how we make the robot move and go out on missions. You can't just tell the robot to go pick up something. You have to use specific command blocks to program. To program a robot, you need to have a lot of time, patience, and be able to build Legos.
Some difficulties are the robot can't jump, can't go up steep hills, they have to program using program blocks on the computer, and they can't go very fast. You get to connect the robot to the computer and download the program. Download the program using Bluetooth or USB port. Be careful not to drop the robot because it is heavy and will break if you drop it. Be careful not to have errors in the program. Also, try not to get the robot wet. You have an option to either download and run the program from the computer or download the program and run it from the robot.
This is our team robot, Meat. It has a claw at the front that helps Meat pick up crates such as this one, flip switches such as that one, and at one point even used as a touch sensor. Below the claw are 2 light sensors that tell Meat whether it's seeing black or white lines. On the rear end of Meat, there's a touch sensor that helps Meat align itself on the wall of the high ridge. We have wheels provided to us by Rotocaster Industries that allow Meat to turn sideways more easily, but still be able to go forward and backwards. There's also a solar panel, which is operational during the missions. It was provided to us by Dexter Industries. Thank you, Dexter Industries, and thank you, Rotocaster.
Now everyone imagine, the year is 2037, and we've established our lunar colony. The rocket just landed, bringing astronauts, lunar tourists, and additional supplies. The new Heritage Artifact Museum is open and will give many people an idea of what early moon exploration was like. The solar generation plant has just come online. Mining operations are in full swing, but like any lunar colony, some problems have arisen. Me, the Apollo 19 robot, is here to assist.
Brianna Johnstone will now
Narrate.
the mission when they get out. We have just received a distress signal from one of the passengers on the rocket that they saw one of the miners in Shackleton Crater has passed out. We investigated and found that it was due to starvation and thirst. We have to go and pick up trade provisions that the rocket was brought. And drop it off to the crater. Go me! Yay! It's spelled M-E-E-P.
Yeah, Crystal.
I know it was.
Yeah.
That's spelled M-E-E-P.
You got touch penalty there, right?
Matthew?
Wait, that's the painting out of the Lego? Brian. Okay. Okay, so that mission basically failed. Sadly, another robot will have to do that.
They have chances. Okay.
Now, Meep is going to go do another mission. Or two. Three. Oh no, we just received another distress call from Lunar Tours. A group of tourists were on their way to the Heritage Artifact Museum when their bus had a mechanical problem. A different bus rescued the people, but the broken bus is still stranded. Meep needs to push the robot into the garage so some of the workers can fix it.
Matthew's 3. Oh, wait, no, 2.
No, it is 3.
Oh, okay. What's that point?
We have just received a distress signal from our lunar colony that the astronauts who are building our lunar colony have run out of supplies. Meep has to go out and collect the supplies that the rocket has brought. What happens if that thing falls off the rail? Well, then hopefully we'll catch it.
Yeah.
And hopefully the whole thing
Hopefully it doesn't break.
Try going
All right, you're gonna take that one up. So we got another. Go ahead and grab it, Brian.
Again. Why didn't we apologize the first one?
We're inside all. This light, dark problem. We didn't learn it.
Yeah. It was worse than what we did before. And it's not looking good. One does check us. Okay, 11 o'clock. Okay. Alright, I'll try to find it up on the switch.
I just received a call from the Heritage Artifact Museum staff.
Yay! All right. Who else?
35 points
We have
to
just
mine.
received a call from the Heritage Artifact Museum staff that the American flag is to be the next exhibit in their museum, but they are unable to use their robots because all the other robots are busy building.
Almost.
Meep has to go out and retrieve the flag and bring it to the Heritage Artifact Museum. Oh well.
Maybe another robot can get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is very sweet.
At least it's following the rest of the programming. I wonder what happened. Okay.
Help it out. See if it can finish the program or not. No, it's done. Okay.
Yeah.
I have a little question.
We're having problems earlier too. It's probably because the sun is shining onto the black line, so it's reflecting light. So it's getting brighter to the robot. So what are you earning, Matthew?
75 points for the total.
Out of 300.
All right, not bad. Good job.
Okay, I have a couple questions for you guys who are listening.
But wait. Does anybody have any questions first?
Yeah, just that first. What is the first thing that the robot was doing? The robot was going to pick up this crate, which is right here, and drop it up over
Drop
where
it
the
up,
miners
yeah.
are passed out and are dying.
And then it's supposed to pick up that crate over there and bring it back to base. And that crate represents my materials.
And any more questions? Yes, tell us. Why did you guys do this inside?
It would actually probably work better.
Yeah, it would work better.
We were originally supposed to, but too many people ended up coming today, so we got pushed out.
Yeah, we got kicked out.
Yeah.
Get an umbrella. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we have. So, any more questions?
Any more questions before I start asking questions? Is there any more presentations?
There's one more.
We'll be doing another one at 11, right?
Yeah, and then another one tomorrow.
And then
Yes, so we're going to do another presentation tomorrow. That's a very good point. It's going to be a webcast, so you guys could actually watch it. If you're interested in it, we'll get you the information about it.
you can scan probably like one of these QR codes. Wait. And you might be able to find it. Yes?
Is this just a pre-test?
Sort of.
Yeah.
That's our live
It's
outing.
we have to do a live demonstration, and then we have to do something for the judges.
And will that be live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meep doesn't stand for anything. It just means meep.
Yeah.
That was the vote.
Yes, Tom?
What was the best test you guys done?
All the missions completed, I think was the best one.
What is touch penalty?
Touch penalty is when we touch the robot.
Yeah. To help it, so we got a few of those.
So the robot, you can touch the robot when it's over the base, but everywhere else would be considered a touch.
Any more questions before I ask questions?
Wait, what happened to the miners? They passed out due to starvation.
Bad on the moon. Yeah.
Oh,
It was our creative idea.
Those are very creative and
Yeah.
dramatic idea.
Yes.
Any more?
Thomas?
More?
Yeah, we have questions.
Just last question. Will the presentations, the live stream, be at Legoland too?
No.
It's gonna be at your house.
My house.
Yeah.
Not over that day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
You can watch the.
It's my birthday. Watch my live stream. That's your birthday? Yeah, it's my birthday.
Well, actually, you can watch the live stream. It's on Ustream.
I'm gonna get karate for the kids.
Scan this QR code, one of these QR codes that we have, and from there you go to the MoonBots website, and then you can click on Teams, scroll down, and then you'll see that this moon symbol with our team name on it, that Christian's wearing right now. So everyone look at
Everyone
Christian.
is.
And, oh yeah, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Can I have the and then you get to and then when you click on it, you can look at the stuff that we have logged on our website that we have made. Any more questions before I start asking questions for you guys? Okay.
And actually, we made this whole board. Bought all the materials.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything. With your allowance? Everyone's in total price.
So they gave us money, $150, and then they gave us
How much did this whole thing cost?
Well,
It was over $150.
Yeah. More like.
Well, the board was probably about $100,
Yeah.
and there was other things,
Did
the
you guys
lights,
make it
LEDs.
yourself, or did you just buy the normal stuff?
Got the wood, we built it, painted it,
Yeah.
yep, designed it.
Yeah, you built it.
I did most of the
I helped you,
construction.
remember? Me and Brianna helped
Yep,
you.
We made
you
the
did.
buildings. We made all the lights.
Any more
Everything.
questions before I start asking
Eat at
questions?
Joe's?
Yeah. Eat it too.
Okay, first question. Why is helium-3 a good substitute for nuclear fusion? Evan?
Because it's like it doesn't when you use it, it doesn't give off like radiation.
Good answer. You know, like a keychain.
Wow, good job. Good answer.
What is the name of the commands we use to program the robots? One?
The commands that I talked about.
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a hint. It starts with a B. Starts with a B. One?
What's it?
BL.
Yes.
Yes.
Here's how we'll get a little keychain. What is the name of our robot? Daniel? You guys can have more chances to win Lego keychains if you guys come to our next demonstration, which is at 11
Yeah,
o'clock.
hopefully we'll be better than this one.
Yes. Enjoy your day at Legoland.
Thank you, everyone. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.